Tired of the default, powered by WordPress message in your website's footer? Let's make it yours today. This quick tutorial will show you how to replace that standard text with your own custom branding. No theme file editing required, ensuring a polished and professional look for your site. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, navigate to your plugins section, and click on Add New. In the search bar, type Real-Time Find and Replace, and hit Enter. Look for a plugin that has good reviews and a recent update. Then click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on the Activate button. This will enable the plugin's functionality on your site. You'll now see a new menu item appear. Usually under a Common Settings or Tools section, click on this new menu item to access the plugin settings. Within the plugin settings, locate the Find String field here. You'll type the exact text you want to remove, which is powered by WordPress. In the Replace String field, enter your desired custom message. This could be your website's name, a copyright notice, or anything you like to showcase your brand. After entering both your find and replace text, scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. It's that simple. Now refresh your website's front end, and you'll see your custom message proudly displayed in the footer, giving your site that final professional touch. Congratulations! You've successfully updated your footer branding without any complex coding. Keep an eye out for more WordPress tips to personalize your site.